This is the first time I'm gonna record actual paint stripping on timber decking. So stay tuned, guys. So this is the product that I'm using for paint stripping this timber decking. Most of my projects I'm using this product, Smart Strip Advanced Paint Removal. It's really good paint strip. It removes up to 15 coats of paint. I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna do that through all this video. It's very simple if you just follow the simple steps. At the same time, you have to be very careful with it because it's very strong paint stripper. So if you get it on your skin, you have to wash it off straight away because it's gonna eat your skin. With the spray gun as well, a lot of people out there, safety first. Spray guns are very dangerous. You can inject yourself with the paint. In this case, with the paint stripper, you have to be careful. If you inject yourself, you need to go straight to the doctors for help because you can lose your arm or whatever where you inject yourself with anything, paint or paint stripper or anything like that. So first thing first, I'm gonna set the gun up for paint stripper so I can spray the paint stripper instead of applying it with the brush. This is gonna fasten up the process way more than actually doing it with the brush. So for this project I'm using a tech sprayer. This is my gun that I'm using it for the most of the projects, but this is a minimum size of the gun that you can use for paint stripping. So first I'm gonna remove the filters, the main filter, because you can't spray paint stripper with the filters on. And if you have a filter in the gun itself, you remove that filter from the gun as well. This is the gun for texture, so I don't need to do anything because it's directly going to the nozzle. So I don't need to remove any filters from here because there is none. So pretty much that's about it. So you're gonna get the paint stripper. First I'm gonna load the gun and then set it up for spraying. First I cut it in with the brush because I don't want any overspray on timber. I don't suppose to paint strip. So yeah, as you can see, this is the way I'm doing this. I cut in the sides first and then I spray in the middle, which fastens up the process a lot. And if I have some overspray on the side, I have a wet rag ready to wipe off everything straight away. Otherwise, if this lands or anything, it's gonna peel off the paint.
When pressure cleaning, I always use a low pressure setup on my gun. Reason why, I don't want to damage the timber. If you use too much pressure on a timber decking, it can definitely damage it. So I set it up before I even put the gun on actual timber decking to make sure it's a right pressure for the certain timber decking, so I don't damage that timber decking. Once that's set up, then I start pressure cleaning.
As you can see, this is the timber decking after we paint stripped it and washed it. The next project. Cheers, guys.